This world is full of wonder. The wind tells stories, the sunlight keeps secrets, and every moment hides a little magic. Today, let's step into nature's symphony of colors and sounds, where every scene has its own story to tell. A whirlpool formed on a federal highway in southeast Tennessee during a devastating flash flood. Proof of nature's unstoppable power. One car teetered on the edge of a bridge before being swept away by floodwaters in Kerrville. If you're ever near flooding, stay away from bridges and raging currents. Hurricane Beryl brought massive waves crashing into St. Lucia. Always stay cautious and put safety first in extreme weather. Hurricane Ophelia pounded North Wildwood, New Jersey with violent waves. Stay safe if you're anywhere near the shore.
Holy shit!
Suffolk, New York was hit with strong winds, hail, and heavy rain. Safety first, everyone.
Oh, no, hail too! The tree fell. Huh? The tree fell, and it's hailing. Is what? Oh no, I hope I don't get hailed on.
Powerful winds and heavy rain pounded Livonia. Stay safe and watch out for flooding. Half a million snow geese descended on a Missouri lake all at once. A jaw-dropping spectacle of nature. This curious ostrich wasn't shy, poking its head right into a car window hoping for a snack. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support is what drives us to keep making these awesome videos. Terrifying. Water cascaded over a roadway in Indiana after heavy rain. Always be careful when driving on flooded streets.
Oh. Why is it so... I feel like there's never been like that.
Oh my gosh, this is scary. Remind me not to go this way back home. Look at the road.
Ruidoso faced intense flooding as cabins became submerged. Extreme caution is needed in such areas. A powerful storm, combined with massive hail, tore through northern New York. Roofs, streets, and cars took a heavy hit. Nature's fury unleashed. A massive storm swept across eastern Tennessee, shaking everything in its path.
So this is happening at the house right now.
In South Carolina, a violent storm left thousands without power. Have you ever experienced a blackout during extreme weather?
Holy cow. Just wanted you guys to see.
A sudden gustonado hit a new amusement park in North Texas, a strong reminder to secure structures in extreme weather. While helping evacuate campers along Highway 34, a sergeant in Iowa suddenly found himself in the direct path of a tornado, proof of nature's unpredictability. A swirling dust devil swept through the port of Beirut, tossing sand and debris high into the air. How tall do you think these waves are? Drop your guesses in the comments. In Switzerland, snow slid slowly down the mountain toward parked cars, a tense and chilling sight.
Fuck yeah! Oh!
A nail-biting moment, a police officer narrowly avoided a tree collapsing under heavy snow, just seconds from disaster. A giant dust wall swept across Central California, an awe-inspiring sight. A fierce dust storm tore through Montana. Make sure everything is secured and sheltered.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
A coastal city in Libya turned red under a massive dust storm. Comment 1 if you find this as scary as I do. Make sure all outdoor equipment is secured. Strong winds can strike out of nowhere. In a parking lot, a sudden gust toppled a box truck. Nature turned dangerous in just seconds. Louisiana was plunged into darkness as the storm rolled through cutting power to thousands of homes. Severe storms hammered the capital area of West Virginia with fierce wind and torrential rain. Tourists in Las Grutas, Argentina were treated to an incredible sight as a massive pod of dolphins swam right past their boat. Pure magic from nature. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more amazing clips. Spectators couldn't believe their eyes as hurricane-force winds ripped the roof right off an administrative building in Novosibirsk within seconds.
Ебануться!
A powerful gust demolished a self-service car wash in seconds, walls and roof flying apart in the storm. An earthquake shook a hotel in Bodrum, like a battle between nature and mankind, a stark reminder of the unstoppable power of seismic forces. Denver lit up in a dazzling lightning display as a storm swept through, a spectacle that left viewers speechless. A propane tank exploded after a truck crashed in Gallatin County, sending a massive fireball into the sky. It was just an ordinary day in Wakayama, until a fireball lit up the sky, leaving everyone stunned. Oh no. Residents of Lacey Township, New Jersey, watched as a wildfire lit up the night sky and scorched trees along the parkway.
Bro. It's going down by track. Holy.
Flames burst from the woods as wildfire spread across New Jersey. Always stay alert and keep your distance from fire zones.
My boy.
Watching Mount Etna erupt, you can feel nature's strength, both awe-inspiring and full of life. Lake effect snow buried Oswego under a blanket of white. Visibility nearly gone in this winter storm. As the blizzard cleared, snowplows in southwest Dakota went into battle, working tirelessly to reopen the roads. Severe storms in Foot-D, Scotland, sent sea foam exploding across the harbor. Foam flying everywhere. Did anyone else think it looked like a giant ice cream party? In Seferihisar, Turkey, residents watched in shock as floods followed a powerful earthquake. A violent storm struck parts of Lincoln County, North Carolina. The scene was terrifying.
Wow, I've never seen this.
Do you know what kind of octopus this is? Share your answer in the comments below. A rare sight, a ghostly pale octopus gliding across the ocean floor off the coast of Victoria, Australia.
Hey, look at that.
Yeah, dude.
What the? That's nuts.
A massive tornado ripped through farm buildings in Illinois, leaving devastation under an angry sky.
Insane. Oh, rolling. Sucking dust up.
Oh, it is too, dude.
Oh gosh, did you spot that? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Watching these towering waves reminds us of the ocean's true power. If you're near the coast, stay safe and far from the seawall.
This is nuts out here. Seafoam Avenue and the
Hurricane Aaron showed no mercy. Water surged inland, flooding the coast of North Carolina with unstoppable force. Giant hailstones splashed into a North Texas pool, making the water bubble like it was boiling. Drone footage revealed massive flooding along rivers after levees broke in northwest Tennessee. The water completely transformed the landscape. A massive landslide tore through Teton Pass, destroying the vital Lifeline Highway. Nature's fury on full display. When heavy rains fell outside Kuala Lumpur, the ground began to move. Have you ever witnessed a landslide in real life? Lava roared out of the Halemaumau crater on Kilauea, Hawaii. Nature's raw power on full display. Take a breathtaking look at Iceland from above. A drone captured lava erupting in full force, showcasing the fiery heartbeat of the Earth. In Tempe, Arizona, a train derailment and fire destroyed a bridge. Part of its structure came crashing down right before everyone's eyes. Footage captured the collapse of a bridge in Italy, a stark reminder of just how dangerous infrastructure failures can be. Ferocious wildfires engulfed the hills of Los Angeles, sending shockwaves through the entire area. Flames raged dangerously close around a fire truck as wildfires swept central Texas. Hit like to show gratitude for these real-life heroes. A bolt of lightning slashed across the sky, lighting up downtown Cleveland in the middle of a violent thunderstorm. Lightning shook a home security camera in Pocahontas, Arkansas. Have you ever seen lightning strike near your house? Share your story in the comments. Just off Victoria's shores, a bold decorator crab made an impressive stand when approached. What a reaction! Look at that, an octopus strolling along the beach in New South Wales. Maybe it wanted to enjoy the view like us. A powerful quake struck Sendai, shaking an orthopedic clinic.
Wow. Miren esto. Por ejemplo,
Residents and businesses in Guanica, Puerto Rico continue to struggle with the heavy toll of earthquakes. May recovery and rebuilding come quickly for them.
como pueden ver aquí, wow,
En Abra que cayeron las piedras.
está bien, voy para allá ahora.
A raging wildfire broke out in Central Oregon, threatening thousands of homes nearby. Stay alert and follow evacuation orders if you're in the area. Fire crews worked tirelessly to contain a controlled grass fire at Warrington Nature Reserve. Wow. Snow plows at Hoya de la Mora work non-stop to keep paths clear. Smash that like button for their effort. During Superstorm Sandy, powerful winds uprooted a tree and sent it crashing onto a car. Hopefully everyone inside was safe. In Baltimore, investigators surveyed the wreckage of the cargo ship Dalios after the Francis Scott Key Bridge collapse. A truly horrifying scene. Flash floods in Alaska severely damaged highways. Residents and drivers are urged to stay cautious when traveling through the area. The northern lights danced above an abandoned school in Oregon, painting the night sky like a living masterpiece. Thank you for watching. Every like and comment helps the channel grow. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss the next unbelievable video.